Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. Previous class I have explained chapter 3's long answer and short answer. I hope all of you understood this portion and all of you do the notes in copy and by heart. Okay, next Zoom class I will ask questions. Today I am going to take a new chapter, chapter 4, the earth, its movements and forms. The earth, its movements and forms. In this chapter, we will learn the shape of the earth and the movements of the earth. Okay. So, we all know that our earth is a unique planet in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system and our earth has the 3rd position and it is a special planet. Only on earth life exists. This is because the correct amount of water, air and temperature. And our earth consists of both land masses and water resources. Different climate we have. Some areas of the earth is very hot, some areas of the earth are very cold, some have medium climate. If we have night, other country has day, and if they have night, we have day. Okay, so this different climate and different seasons occur, different weather conditions occur. All these occur because of the movements of the earth. All type of living things live on earth. Living beings live on earth. Human beings, plants, animals, birds, insects, etc. So all these living beings need air, water and sunlight. So the sunlight, air and water content. So these resources get in different forms, different amount. So that is why some parts of the planet are warmer, some are colder and some are too hot and some are too cold. All these are happening because of the earth's movement. So in this chapter we will learn 2 types of movements of the earth. Our earth has 2 types of movements. They are the rotation and the revolution. Okay. So first we will learn about the rotation. What is rotation? When we spin a top you know what is meant by top, that you call in Hindi lattu, no. So this, when we spin a top, it spins on its axis. Sometimes it spins on its axis. Like that, our earth spins on its axis. This spinning movement is known as rotation. What is meant by axis? An axis can be defined as a straight line. It is not a real line, it is an imaginary line. An axis can be defined as a straight line about which a body or geometric object rotates. So, on its imaginary axis, our earth always rotates. That means spins like a top. And this spinning movement is known as rotation. So, what is meant by rotation? The movement of earth on its axis is known as rotation, or the spinning movement of the earth. Spinning of earth is called rotation. So, because of this rotation, day and night occur. So, in order to rotate, in order to complete one rotation, earth takes 24 hours or 1 day. Earth takes 1 day. In order to complete one rotation, earth takes 1 day or 24 hours. So, within this 24 hours or 1 day, what are the changes happens? Days and night. So, day and night happens because of this rotation of the earth. Understood all of you? Why do days and night occur? Days and night occur because of the rotation of the earth. What is meant by rotation? The spinning of earth on its axis is known as rotation. Okay. The spinning of earth on its axis is known as rotation. So, in order to complete one rotation, earth takes 24 hours or 1 day. Then, another movement of earth is the revolution. We learned that all the planets, all the 8 planets revolve around the sun on their fixed path. This is called orbit. On their fixed path, they revolve around the sun. So Earth is also revolves around the sun. And this movement is known as revolution. So what is revolution? The movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution. Okay. So in order to complete one revolution, Earth takes 1 year or 365 and 1/4 days or 1 year or a year. Okay. So within 1 year, what are the changes happened? Different season. No. Summer, winter, autumn, spring. So all these seasons occur because of the revolution of the Earth. That means our Earth always revolves around the sun. So this movement is known as a revolution. Understood all of you? So because of the revolution, seasons occur. In order to complete one revolution, Earth takes 1 year. And because of the rotation, day and night occur. And in order to complete one rotation, Earth takes 1 day or 24 hours. Understood all of you? So all of you read this chapter till here, and next class I will ask questions of this. Okay, clear? Bye.